Hey guys, today I'm just going to do an easy cream of mushroom chicken soup in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This will be pretty simple. I have a tray of boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. These are organic ones. These were $6.99 per pound. So these are 1.39 pounds. Total price $9.72. Organic chicken, kind of pricey, but it's good. You can use breasts if you want, I guess, as well. And then I'm just going to cut up about 6 or 7 of these little red potatoes here. You could use russet potatoes or any other kind of potatoes that you wanted. And we use that 1 pound bag of baby carrots and then just dump in that can of mushroom soup with everything. So let me cut up the potatoes and rinse off the chicken and cut it up and we'll get everything into the pot. Alright, my potatoes are washed and cut up and I left the skin on. I left them in pretty good sized chunks like that. And the baby carrots are already washed, so we'll just dump those right in there like that. And then the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you've never seen these, that's what they look like out of the package. So I'm just going to rinse those off real quick and just take some scissors and just cut them into like just, I don't know, 4 or 5 pieces. They kind of shred apart by themselves after they cook long enough. So I'm just going to, like I said, just do them about like that. Now we'll add the can of mushroom soup. This is the family size can, 22.6 ounces. So if you use the little cans, use 2 of them. And I'm going to add half a can of water and season everything with a little bit of salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Get out of this, just probably some regular pepper is fine. And I'm just going to get this all kind of mixed together. I'm just going to use my hand for that. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been about 4.5 hours. Let's see how this looks. A lot of times the carrots and potatoes take longer to cook than the chicken does, so as long as those are tender, we should be good here. Yeah, it looks like we're pretty good, I think. Alright, I'm going to grab a bowl and we'll try that out. So this cooked for 4.5 hours on high. If you do it on low, probably 7 or 8. You know, just kind of all day. Should be about right. Everything looks like it's cooked pretty good. Chicken just kind of breaks apart. Kind of get a little bit of that, a little bit of carrot. Let's try it out. That came out real good. That's pretty basic. You could add more vegetables if you wanted to, you know, some celery, onion, anything you wanted. But the chicken thighs are nice because they don't dry out. They're nice and moist. Annie showed up and she's dancing around over here. Guess we better let her try it out. Want to try a carrot, Annie? There you go. And I'll give you a piece of chicken. Chow the carrot down. There you go. Have some chicken too. You know she'd like that. So I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.